guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we'll be doing another unboxing of Play by Sephora, only this is the June edition. So if you guys want to see what I got in here and everything that goes with it, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I want to start off by thanking every single person who subscribed to my channel over the last week. I literally had no intentions of having that type of attention on my video. Like, honestly, that video was just made for my subscribers, and it kind of like took off in a way that I never expected it to. And I never expected to gain that many subscribers in a short amount of time. And I'm kind of like, ooh, like what I do, because I feel like there's more eyes on me, there's more pressure on me. And so I'm like, ooh, please don't leave. I'm extremely grateful for every single one of you guys who have subscribed to me and who's been subscribed to me. Like, seriously, I cannot thank you guys enough. And please know that I will be having great appreciation given back to you guys in just a couple weeks here. There'll be some surprise giveaways coming up, so please make sure you guys stay tuned to that. And that is my like little small way of saying thank you. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this box. If you guys are new here, I do an unboxing of I do an unboxing of Play by Sephora. This is a $10 monthly subscription service. You get 5 sample size items, just like Ipsy, where Ipsy gives you 5 sample size items. The only difference that this gives you items that are sold inside Sephora, so you kind of know what you're getting, like name brand wise, whereas Ipsy gives you a lot of like indie brands, introduces you to different new brands. So it's kind of like the difference between the two. I actually really like this box because not only do you get 5 sample size products, you also get a Play by Sephora card. Now, if you guys don't know what that is a 50-point card. So whenever you guys go into Sephora or you guys shop online, you put in that Play by Sephora card number and it gives you 50 extra points on top of your purchase, which if anyone shops at Sephora like I do, you guys know how much those points really add up, because they're not like Sephora, where Sephora is every point that you spend you get like $1 back. And unfortunately, Sephora is not that way. I do know if you hit over 2,000 points, you can redeem it for a $100 Sephora gift card every Tuesday and Thursday between like a certain amount of time. But this right here will definitely help you get to that point. I do know that they're trying to rework their system, because I got an email about a month ago to give me like an extra 200 points. All I had to do is do a survey and ask my opinion, what I thought about their point system, what I thought they could do to improve their point system. So I really hope they change it up and become more like Ulta, because that'd be like a great way to spice up their reward system. So enough rambling on, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this box. I do want to say I'm actually really in love with this look that I did. I just wanted to sit here and play with makeup because I love playing with makeup, and since it's a rainy day here in Florida and I didn't get a chance to go to the pool, I thought I'd bring like sun Florida vibes to my face. And I really love how this turned out. It's very beautiful in my mind, and also I've never played on yellow shadows before, so this is kind of like a really big first for me. So if you guys want to see like how I did this look and want to see a tutorial on that, please let me know in the comments below. It's super easy and it's very basic to do. So let's go ahead and get this going. Alright, so when you open up the box, you do get your little pamphlet with the Play 50 Beauty Insider Points, and it comes with a pamphlet inside that you open up, and it literally tells you about every single item that you got, what the function of it is, and what the products do. And I think that's actually really cool, because I know that with BoxyCharm, they give you like a little insert as well, but it's not as informative. This one is pretty informative, and it tells you what's exclusive, what's not exclusive, and exactly how to use each item that you got in this box. And not to mention, it has like cool little like fun little details on the back, what you could do for like packing and going on destinations. This is the destination beauty box. Whether you're traveling to the desert, the sea, or the international aisle of the grocery store, here are some tips and tricks to make your trip beautiful. So this is actually really cool. Not to mention, it does come with a reusable makeup bag. Now, I personally don't care with this little makeup bag because it is a plastic makeup bag. I do wish that it was a cloth makeup bag or another sort of material. Plastic, I feel like this just goes to waste, and I don't know if it's biodegradable. If it is, please let me know in the comments down below. But I never end up using this bag. I don't like that factor that they have right here. Hopefully they'll switch that up, but only time will tell. Alright, so the first item that we got in here is the Diva Curl. This is a leave-in decadence. It's an ultra moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This is actually the bonus item that we got in this month's box, and it says, while you're getting some R&R, your hair can keep working. This leave-in formula is perfect for straightening, protecting, and conditioning strands. Even just Evenly distribute throughout wet hair from root to tip, then finish styling. There's no need to rinse. Chosen for your hair type. So when you sign up for this box, you feel like a little survey. I'm not gonna lie to you, I completely forgot what I put in for my survey, but this is a 100% sulfate, paraben, silicone free, which is really, really, really amazing for my hair because it's kind of hard to tell right now, but my hair is up. But I am a natural blonde, but I do like to enhance it to go more of a silverish, blonde lavender color. Eventually, when I'm no longer working at Disney, I will have this bad boy like super like gray in your face, because that's what I really want, like an ashy gray platinum blonde. That's what I want, that's what I'm going for. So I'm doing what I can to get it there, to make it look nice and healthy without it being not Disney approved, because Disney has very certain standards when it comes to hair color. So I'm trying to be as risque as I can while being in the dress code, if you will. But the best part about this is the leave-in conditioner is that it is an ultra moisturizing conditioner, and whenever you do dye your hair, particularly with a blonde color, you do put a lot of bleach in your hair, which actually can damage your hair. I take my time, we do it step by step, but it does leave my hair a little bit dry. I have really natural soft hair, but leaves my hair a little dry, so I like to put a lot of moisturizer in my hair to keep it nice and smooth and to keep that color locked in. So, and the best part is it's sulfate, paraben, silicone free, and that is going to keep your color lasting longer and staying longer because of the fact that there's no harsh chemicals in there ripping out the color. I actually learned a lot when I worked at Ulta like 10 years ago. I used to only do box dyes, but then I worked there. They taught me a lot about hair care products, so I know a lot about them, and I do know that you want to buy anything that's sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, because it not only does it protect your hair, it's a color treated hair nice and safe and gets the color to last a lot longer, which saves you more money in the long run. So alright, so the next item that we got is a Sephora collection. This is the Sephora collection. It's an all-day hydrator, and it hydrates and glows, and this is an exclusive in this box. We actually have 4 exclusives in this box and 1 non-exclusive. But this is a heading out of the spur of the moment trip. Make sure you at least pack the essentials like the weightless daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. Its hyaluronic acid helps with water retention and prevention of dehydration. It has vitamins E and C, which increases radiance and nurtures skin, and has glycerin, which moisturizes like a pro. So I've actually never tried any of Sephora's skincare, so it's actually really cool to have. I really, it's so tiny. I really like to try out and branch other things. I do know that Sephora has really great lip glosses, so I really like to try other things from them. Let's put this on there. Ooh, it's really soft. And it smells like a grape baby powder. Interesting, that's actually kind of cool to try. The next thing that we got is from Belief, the True Cream Aqua Balm. Increased hydration level, dermatologically tested, and this is cannonball into hydration with the ultra lightweight antioxidant rich moisturizer that feels like pool for your face. Use it as a 10-minute emergency moisture mask. That's actually really good to know. It says apply a quarter size amount morning and night or throughout the day as needed. I feel like this box is like reaching out to me. They know me personally. I feel like the person trying to say, girl, you need to hydrate. I don't know why. I have very, very oily skin, so I'm very particular on which type of moisturizers I use, because I want to use anything that is oil free, because I don't want to add oil on top of oil, because that's just gonna be a mess. So I try to go for oil free, but I do know that it's very, very vital to moisturize your face even if you're oily, just because if you moisturize your face stays nice and hydrated, so your body doesn't have to work overtime to produce more oil to keep it nice and hydrated. By you putting on a moisturizer, you kind of help that step and your body tends to back off a little bit and tends to not produce as much oil. You're still going to produce oil, but not as much. But that's actually a cool little tidbit for you. I actually learned that from one of my close friends. Ooh, this smells amazing. Let's try this on this hand. Ooh, this is nice. That smells absolutely incredible. I wonder if this is a water base, because it feels like it has a water base to it. Unfortunately, it does not say on here whether it does or not, but I'm excited to give this a try. The next product is oh god, I'm gonna butcher this. Laneige Bear with me when it comes to higher end brand names because I'm still getting used to them. This is a lip sleeping mask in vanilla. On holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize it. Wake me up in an hour. It says a leader in the K-beauty scene for more than 20 years, Laneige steps up their skincare with hydroionized mineral water that delivers intense moisturization. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when you live in Florida, it is extremely hot. However, it is extremely humid. So we don't really have the dry spouts here. We are literally humid, so it is so unbelievably hot that I like to keep my lips nice and moisturized throughout the entire day. I hate dry, crusty lips. I just cannot stand the feeling of it, especially chapped lips, so I keep my lips completely moisturized at all times. Like, if there's one thing I have to take with me on a desert island, it is chapstick. I would go nowhere without chapstick or like a lip moisturizer because I need it for my lips. Like, I don't know how people in Survivor go without that because I'd be like licking my lips like crazy trying to keep them hydrated. So that'd be the one downfall for me. I would need that. But look how cute this is. This is so little cute. I don't know which way it's this way. And it's just like a little lip mask. Oh, and it smells amazing. That's nice. It has like a nice little sheen to that. That smells really good. That's actually really exciting. And again, it's also exclusive in here. So the next item that we got is, I want to say this is Kaya because it's spelled K-A-J-A and I spell my dog K-A-Y-A. This could be Kaya or Kaija. Please let me know in the comments below what this is, but this is a Mochi Glow Bounce Highlighter in Toy Alien. It says, get radiance in record time, swirl your fingertip over the cream to powder formula, then highlight cheekbones, cupid's bow, and along the brow bone. This is actually really interesting. I've never actually heard of this brand at all, and the fact that it is a cream to powder finish, that's really intriguing. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how tiny this is. This thing is like a little baby. It's a little baby. Ooh, that is really smooth though. Look at that. All right, what if I add it like on top of that? That is actually really pretty. This actually reminds me of the ABH Amarazzi highlight. That's like the exact same color that I'm getting off of this and the exact same feel. It's a really pretty color. I put it right here in my hand. I swatched it for you guys. It's also on the back of my hand. It's really pretty. Am I gonna gravitate to it all the time? No, I have other highlights I like more than that, but I do wanna, you know, give it a try and put it in my bag and see if it's like a little on-the-go highlighter in case I need one. The last thing that we got in the box, Stila, look how tiny this is. Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner in Jet Black. There's a fine line between a wink and a cat eye, and that is why marker tips like this is a stroke of genius. I have been wanting to try this for a very long time. I just actually never got around to doing it just because I am, look at that. I am not a pro at wing liners by any means. In fact, I actually suck at wing liners. I actually suck at wing liner because I do have downturn eyes, so it's really hard for me to put on a eyeliner because I feel like my eyes are so big as it is, but they also slope downwards that it just looks really funky. And I have watched a couple of videos that were recommended to me by my subscribers. I got some tips and tricks in there. I'm trying to emulate them with my eyeshadow a little bit. Hopefully I'm doing a little bit better job with it. But when it comes to eyeliner, that's still a work in progress. So I'm really glad that I got this right here because it's a way for me to give it a try without actually having to invest in the full product, because this right here is something I've always wanted to try. My friends rave about it. They've been obsessed about it. So I'm really glad that we actually got that in this bag. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. This is just a really This is just a really short, quick video. I wanted to do my unboxing for you guys. Like I said, if you guys want to see the tutorial on this look, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys again for all the new subscribers. Like seriously, welcome. And I can't thank you guys enough. Like that is so cool. This is so weird and so cool, and I feel like there's a lot of pressure on me, but this is actually really exciting and you guys are really helping me fulfill my dreams. So I cannot thank you guys enough. Make sure you guys, like I said, stay tuned for some giveaways I'll be having coming up on my channel as a thank you to you guys. And yeah, make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up if you guys have not already. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because I do post 2 videos a week. And as always guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Another unboxing of Play It does come with the, like I said, every Thursday, this Revitalist. It's an ultra. This is the bonus item that we actually got in the box this month. It is while in your face hair colors. This is Sephora Haya Super Hydrant Hydrate All Day Hydrator. Hydrate Plus Glow. I don't know, it's a really weird name. It's by Sephora. The next item that we got is a Sephora. This is Haya Acid, which increases radiance and nutrient. Less oil is more likely. Less oil is like. Am I gonna gravitate to it? That recommended me. I have recommended to me down below. Oh my god.